Hey guys, wanted to show you a quick little rundown on how to create your own postcard. So the first step would be to go to your image templates and either upload from your computer, that is if you have one already built, but if you want to use our card builder, you click Create Image, you give the image a name, hit Continue to Designer. This will bring you to our custom card designer. There's a few options. You can use our inspiration, that is our pre-built cards. So if you want to just click on a category, it'll give you a card and you can load it. That simple. All of your already pre-built designs are here under your designs. So if you have a design already made and you want quick access to it, you just click that link and then click the button. If you want to use our photo library, you can do that as well. We have millions of free stock photos for you to use. So if you just type in car, it'll give you a list of all the cars. You click on the image, car is added to your dashboard on the image. So you could go and take the image, do what you want with it. This is our layers. So once you're here, you have the ability to hide and show layers that are on the screen. So that image I just added was a new layer. That layer can be deleted, hidden, as well as changed. So see how I'm shrinking it? So you just grab the image on the outside, up and down, change the image size. Hold down Shift, that allows you to mess with the aspect ratio. So say I want this image to take up the whole thing here, all nice and good. Now you have a couple options for styling. You can add any text you want to the card, super simple. You have a bunch of different font styles. Choose the font style, choose the font. Now your font will show up here, and you just type on the layer, I added my font. You can change the color of the font. You can give it a background. And again, fonts are just like the layers, so you can hide them. You can move them to different layers within the image. You can also add lines. So if you just wanted to give it a little underline here, you can do that. You just click on the font brush, and it'll give you the ability to draw on the image. You can also add filters. So say I want to take this image of the car and I want to add a little tint to it. Say I want to make the font a little more obvious. I can tint the whole image a little bit darker. So I'm going to make it darker here. And I'm going to choose the opacity of the card. So right there, I made the image darker. And now the font is all nice and big. You can drag the font bigger, just like you can with the image. Here you go. Now once you're done, you just click Next Step, and that will add your image into your saved templates. And then when you want to send a card to start the process, you just click on the Send button. So that's the little arrow here. Click the arrow, and that starts the process of sending using that card. Really simple. Really easy way to design your own postcard and send it out. Thanks, guys.